Kundalini Yoga for Heart Chakra unblocking, balancing and strengthening. Heart Chakra, the center of your existence. Without the heart chakra, you don't feel your soul. If your heart chakra is blocked, you don't feel life. So, I have created this Kundalini Yoga video for unblocking heart chakra through some techniques, through some process, and if you follow it, then you will see that your heart chakra is unblocking immediately. You can do the steps along with me while watching this video, and the shift in energy will happen immediately. Heart chakra is the heart of your soul. Your soul resides here in your heart chakra. If you don't know where is your heart chakra, then let me tell you, this is the region of your heart chakra in your chest, center of your rib cage. 10 fingers, or you can say 12 fingers from your throat. When you come back here in the center, this is the heart chakra. You can keep your hands and feel the vibration. You will see that heart beats type throbbing is happening. It is more than heartbeat. You can see the difference also. When you touch your heartbeat, it will be like beats. But when your heart chakra vibrates, then it vibrates like you can feel that, like wheel of the universe is revolving. And sometimes when it is blocked, you feel lot of pain in this region. And your breathing is affected. You start doing chest breathing. You start doing many things which is activating your sympathetic breathing. So, if you are already my student, you can implement the techniques that I will mention in this video and see the results. If you are not my student, then you can become my student by implementing this technique and joining the projects and learn many more Kundalini Yoga through my guidance exclusively meant for you, one-to-one learning of Kundalini Yoga for your chakra clearance, for your energy channel, processing of prana and everything that is connected to your spiritual awakening journey. Alright, so let's move to the next segment where I will make you clear what are the problems, health problems that do you face when your heart chakra is blocked. The prime problem that you face when your heart chakra is blocked is related to your congestion in chest region. You feel lot of congestion in the chest region all the time, and most of the time you are in this slouching position because since your heart chakra is weak, your rib cage, your lungs, your heart, all these organs are also weak. So, you are not able to breathe optimally when your heart chakra is blocked. And why your heart chakra is blocked? Because maybe you are away from the matrix, you are in the higher chakra of spiritual awakening journey. The matrix is no more important for you, but at the same time there is no one in your life who will love you or whom you can love back. You are lonely due to your spiritual awakening journey, your Kundalini awakening journey. You don't feel belonging to the matrix, or you don't feel related to your family, spouse, friends, colleagues, society, or the world in general. You don't feel that these people have any meaning in your life. And the soul searching begins at this stage. So there are a lot of physical and emotional and mental health issues connected to your heart chakra. So I will teach you a technique that will help you unblock your heart chakra immediately when you apply it. So make sure your cardiovascular system is functioning well. And if you do this technique, then your heart will function well, your blood circulation will increase, your breathing will improve, and most of your problems related to breathing issues, sinus, or everything related to your blood circulatory system will be improved. So I will move straight away to the technique in the next segment. Let me teach you this technique step by step. The first point for this technique is open your chest. How to open your chest? If you are in this position, then do like this. Gradually, just start stretching your neck. Suppose you are slouched like this. Observe yourself. How do you sit or what your position has become? Your position has become like this because there is no strength in your spine and your heart is blocked. So gravity is pulling everything of your upper body towards itself. So that is why you always look down. So first thing is that start looking straight. And then focus on this part of your body, head, and try to change your vision from this direction to opposite direction like this. And as you change your direction, you see your head is moving, your neck is moving, and slowly your shoulders are moving, your chest is opening, and try to look back as much as you can and see. Once you are in this position, now you move your shoulder and do like this and be in this position. If you have again come back to this position and then move back. If you have something in your background as this sofa or a wall, then you can do like this. Same way, start looking up, 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 up and back. And first, try to push, try to just be in this position and don't bring your chest up, but slowly push from this part and slowly your chest will come up. And be in this position for 2 minutes or so. Do this 10 times a day for 2 minutes initially. And always try to sit in this position in Vajrasana with your chest up and this straight position. When you are walking, then make sure that your chest is up. For example, if you are sitting like this, then also your chest should be up. Your spine curve should be maintained. Your spine should be curved. Your belly should go up. Don't try to press your belly. It is a wrong culture. Nobody teaches you. Everyone teaches you to press your belly in the name of fitness. It's wrong technique. It's wrong technique. You should avoid pressing your belly. Your belly should always be like this. Look at a child and you will see that the difference is there in terms of the belly. When you are born, your belly is inflated like this. And this is right position. Don't try to shy away from your natural position. For whom you are, an unhealthy body is not a fit body. which you show off. So stop that. Try to keep your belly up, chest like this, and try to maintain this position for 2 minutes. When you are sitting on the sofa, then also you try to maintain this position. Don't try to slouch by taking a pillow and taking it like this. Don't do this. This is wrong position. Always try to sit like this. You can keep doing this in between. Alright. So, this is the chest opening exercise that I have taught you. This is the first technique. The second technique I will teach you is again simple and effective, and you will see the shifts in energy once you do it. Second technique is opening your chest and just looking up in the sky and joining the shoulder blades. At the back, you should try to join the shoulder blades like this by stretching it more and more. And remain in this position for 2 minutes or so and repeat the show. The third technique is unique and ancient. Earlier, when in the village, people used to draw water from the well, especially in ancient villages, and maybe a few years ago, drawing water from the well or running position like this. Do it and move your body in different direction. Move your entire rib cage in different direction. The jogging pose, the churning pose. How to churn? Move it, this part to the back, and again boxing pose. Whatever you do, boxing pose. Do it for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and then these stretching poses. All this will open your chest and heart chakra, and you will feel fresh, opened, lively, ready to love someone, ready to love yourself, and you'll feel happy. And there are many modifications to this. You can do like this, and enjoy. Again this one. Do it. Now. Different parts of your rib should open. So, no gymming equipment is required. Do it freehand because your brain understands freehand exercises. When you do freehand exercises, you get better results. That's all. So do you want all these changes to happen? Then implement it immediately and you will get results. You will be happy immediately, you will feel like loving yourself, and you will realize a shift will happen in you that you have not given importance to yourself till now. You have given importance to other people. You have approval seeking behavior. You give importance to other people more than yourself, and you have lost the basic routine to invest in yourself. Start investing 2 hours regularly for all your chakra opening and see the difference in your life. For more guidance, specific guidance, customized guidance, learn Kundalini Yoga from me through projects and get the benefits. So keep opening your heart chakra, pour your unconditional love to yourself and live life my style. Bye bye.